is Sharp Shiny activated! It's time to make ChocoCrinkles! So, from the ingredients, we need 1 cup flour. 1 cup of flour coming right up. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Guys, let's mix it now. Mix. Set aside first. And now, let's make the chocolate for the ChocoCrinkles. Luna is gonna watch our flour mixture in case someone's gonna ruin it. 2 eggs. Oh my God. Next, oil. A bug on it. Good. Now I have to. Let's pour on this egg. 2/3 of sugar. 1. Yummy. 2. On top of number 1. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour. Looks like soy sauce, but it's vanilla extract. 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Yum. Pour. Ooh, that dust. Time to whisk, but we have to make sure if it's smooth, because we're gonna use a smooth batter. Don't overmix it. Ooh. Oh, looks pure black. Soft like this. It looks so satisfying. Wow. It's like pure black chocolates. Let's put our flour mixture, protected by Luna, my cat. Let's go. Pour. Mix it all together. You can use a spatula for this, but we don't actually have one of the spatulas that they have. So let's just use our spoon. So this is how we do cut and fold. So it's time to mold the crinkles. So we need granulated sugar. So we have to dip it in and we have to coat it very well. And then after that, you could put it in the icing sugar. Coat it very well. Also. And now turn it into a ball and shadang! That's a crinkle. Preheat oven 180 degrees and let's put them. Bye crinkles. Bake it to 12 to 15 minutes. It's sticking. Smells good though. It's time to eat. Nice and hot. So good. I haven't ate it in like a year or 2 or more. I love it.